As a first step, we are opening for classes 10 and 12. We have a self-declaration form which the children will fill, that will be seen by the subject teacher, and accordingly the subject teacher will allow. If a child doesn't fill the self-declaration form, he will not be allowed. After the child enters, there is the infrared thermometer. In case the child's temperature is above 98.6 degrees, he will be sent to the isolation room where his temperature will be measured again. Oximeter will check his oxygen level status. The parent will be informed, and with the consent of the parent, the child will be sent to the nearest hospital. We've identified Mayo Hospital as the hospital nearest to our school. Class 10 and 9 will enter through the E block, class 11 and 12 through the G block. In the classrooms, the desks which are not meant for seating, they've been marked with a cross. So 50% of the children will be there in the class with respect to the actual seating capacity. People who wish to come at the reception, the parents who wish to come at the reception, they will not be coming to school as long as children are there. Children are here from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock in the morning. Parents or visitors will be allowed only after 11 o'clock. At the reception, there is a drop box. The receptionist also has a shield so that people are not too close to her while talking. In COVID times, it is even more essential to do yoga. So we've set up the field to do yoga exercises. After the children have done yoga, the mats will be sanitized and kept back. We are asking our children to bring their own water bottles. And as per government guidelines, food is not allowed because they are coming for a short time. On the first day, children will be educated about managing themselves. There are different posters which have been put. People do say it's a difficult time. It's a challenge, no doubt, but at the same time, I feel it has been a learning experience and a growth in the education phase as well. We would have taken long years to make our teachers tech savvy. So now I feel teachers have actually matched the pace of children. To children, I just wish to say, don't be scared. Equip yourself to handle the situation, face it bravely. The future holds a lot for you.